Hey, what is going on guys? It's Tharshey and today we're back with another video. However, today we're doing something a bit different. As you can see, I have a package from Amazon and we are going to be doing an unboxing and review for the Redragon Cobra M711 gaming mouse. So if you guys do enjoy this video, please do drop a like, comment and subscribe to the channel for more. And comment down below what you guys would like to see me unbox or review next, as well as whether you guys like this change in video style. Anyway, let's get right into it. Okay guys, so first of all, for a lot of you guys who haven't bought from Amazon before, like I hadn't bought anything before this, you're probably wondering whether Amazon is, safe to have your stuff delivered by and whether you actually receive your package in good condition. So let's just have a look. So as you can see, this box isn't really damaged or anything, and it has the Amazon tape, and you can see that it's not broken anywhere. So if you look at the box, any of the sides, you can see the box is in good condition. The tape is a little slightly broken here, but that was just from me handling it now. So the box looks good. The tape was not broken, it was still sealed. So the package looks like it arrived well and in good condition. Anyway, let's open it up. Okay guys, so I've got a knife and let's cut this thing open. I have no idea whether I'm ruining the box, guys. Oops. Okay. And then I should be able to just cut this open here. Okay, cool. So now we've got this opened, and let's see what exactly we have. Okay, so this is the mouse, and as you can see, this actually comes with air plus styro packs. So basically this is just packs filled with air. One is damaged, but the others all seem fine. And what this does is it actually makes sure the package doesn't move or get damaged during shipping. So that is really good, and it shows that they at least make sure it's safe. So this is the Redragon M711 Cobra gaming mouse. So as you can see, it comes in a pretty nice package. It's a plastic package, but it looks pretty cool, and it has this around it. So let's just read this. Cobra gaming mouse. So this is just some of the specs. 10,000 DPI, 1000 Hz polling rate ACC, super fast game engine, durable smooth Teflon feet pad, so that's on underneath for grip. 8 programmable buttons. Just remember, 2 of those buttons are actually used to program and change the DPI, and 1 is to change the RGB colors. It has 5 memory modes, and it has 5 quick change DPI settings, which is 500, 1000, 2000, 3000, and 5000 DPI. And it has a button durability of 10 million clicks. So let's open this up, and I don't want to just tear this up like I did the package. So let's see if we can open this up in a nice way. Yeah, there's a sticker here. So let's see if I can just get rid of that somehow. I don't know, I may just have to cut this open. Alright, I think I can do it like this. There we go. Okay. So let's open this package up. One clip there, and what? Okay, there we go. Okay, this is just a clip-on lid. So this is the mouse itself. As you can see, it's really, really damn big. Okay, take that out. So this is the mouse. This is the Redragon M711 Cobra. And just looking at it now and feeling it, it actually looks and feels really good. So this is the cable, and it looks pretty long. So that's the cable. As you can see, it's pretty long. The mouse itself, it has a very good weight. So as you can see, I have quite big hands, and this mouse fits really, really well. So I can use it quite easily. It's really nice, nicely shaped, nicely designed mouse. So there's the buttons, this is your scroll wheel. These are your 2 buttons for changing your DPI. This is for your RGB. These are your programmable buttons you can use for games and stuff. And then this is the Redragon sign, and this is the RGB stripes and patterns around the mouse. So let's see, yeah. Okay, so it's a 5V 200 mAh mouse. Got the mouse code and everything there. Model is M711 wired optical gaming mouse, 10,000 DPI. You can switch modes. It's made in China, guys, so you know, just don't order it now during Corona times. Anyway, the mouse looks really good. It seems quite durable as well. Like if you feel this mouse, it's actually got weight to it, so it's not like very light, but it's not too heavy as well, where it's going to become like hard for you when you're gaming. So it feels good, it looks good, it seems to be quite durable, and it looks like it's gonna last me quite a long time. The pads on the bottom seem very smooth as well. They are made of Teflon. So yeah, all in all, this is a very good mouse. Anyway, I'm gonna connect this up to the computer and just check how the software is and everything, and then I'll show you guys the mouse with the RGB lighting on. So I'll see you guys just now. Okay guys, so before I show you the mouse RGB and the programming and the software that it comes with for the computer, let me just quickly show you a close-up. So if you look carefully, those are the two left and the two mouse buttons that you can program. That's the surface on the side. If you feel it though, it's a bit rough, but it feels really good and it really helps with grip. Then that is the actual Redragon logo. So as you can see, it looks really good, and especially when it lights up, imagine that dragon but all red or all blue or something like that. So it looks really cool. This is the other side of the mouse. That's just got the same stuff to actually use for grip and stuff. And on the top, if you look, these are the three buttons. So this is for DPI, that's DPI, and that is for changing the RGB. And this is the scroll wheel. Scroll wheel feels real smooth. And if you look at it here, it also looks really nice, and it also has RGB lighting on the side. This is the cord, and the cord actually feels really good, and it seems to me like it's a really good quality cord as well. So I don't think it's gonna break or snap anytime soon, because it is covered. It's not just a cord; it's covered with like this Teflon kind of type material. It feels a bit like the side stuff here, and I'm guessing that helps to make sure the cord actually lasts longer and it's better quality. So this is the mouse. Yeah, it looks good. It's also seems very durable. It's not too light. It's actually got a good weight to it, and above all, it's a good size. So even if you have small hands, you may find it a bit of a challenge to use this mouse, because it is a bit of a bigger mouse if you have small hands, but I don't think it will be too much of a problem. And for those of you who have bigger hands, this mouse is definitely perfect, because I have much bigger hands than everyone else I know, and this mouse fits me perfectly. So yeah, anyway, let's get on to checking out the actual RGB lighting and the system software for the mouse. Okay guys, so now this is the Redragon M711 Cobra with the RGB lighting on. So as you can see, it looks really cool. It's got the lighting strips going all around, the logo as well, and the mouse wheel, and you can change it. So if I want, I can change it to this, so the color like flows from the back to the front. That looks really cool as well. And I can also press just so it stays one color, or so it goes off like that. Then you can choose to have different colors as well, or if I want, there you go, this is like yellow, and that is purple or pink. Yeah, it's pink, green, blue, red, or you can have what I prefer, which is the rainbow. So that is the different RGB lighting colors of it. So as you can see, it looks really cool, and I really like this mouse. Good build quality. I'll give it like a 5 out of 5 for build quality. Comfort and stuff, I'll give it another 4.5 out of 5, 4 out of 5. And just for looks and aesthetics, I'll give it a 5 out of 5, because this looks really amazing. It's really nice to use, and yeah, it's just a very good mouse overall. Anyway, if you guys did enjoy the video, please do drop a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more. And I will be doing a review on the Redragon Archelon gaming mousepad, so make sure you watch that. And I'll see you guys in the next one.